Hello, this is Inkshival. Today's lesson is all about a pair of confusing words. This pair of confusing words has been a problem to a lot of people. But today, I am going to give you a clear distinction between them. I am talking about lie, and lay. I believe you've already seen this pair of words, or you're familiar with them. But let's see the difference between them, basically. Well, lie, okay, over here, lie means to be in a horizontal position on the surface. You know, sometimes after working hard, you need to rest a little bit. So you lie. You can lie under a shade of a tree or under a shade of something. So after working hard, you sometimes you need to lie down. You know, you lie down, and it's very important to tell you that lie is intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not require a direct object. A transitive verb does not require object. Does not require an object. So that's what we call is intransitive verb. And let's just come to the parts of lie. Well, we have here lie in the present simple, then we have lay in the past simple, then in the past participle we have lay. Right. As I was just telling you the meaning of lie, which is to be in a horizontal position on the surface, we can also say, I can also say that lie can be to rest or to recline, or to rest or to recline. Well, I have some examples for you. We have right here, lie down if you are tired. Lie down if you are tired. It means rest if you are tired. Alright, another one. Let's say, I usually lie in bed on Sundays. I usually lie on bed on Sundays. So when do you usually lie in bed? Do you have a special day on which you lie down? What day is it? All right. So these are the two examples we have right here about lie. Great. Now let's go and talk about lay. Right here, lay. What's the meaning of lay? Lay means to put. Okay, to put or to place. You place something or you put something. And it's very crucial to tell you that lay is transitive verb, is a transitive verb. And a transitive verb is a verb that always requires an object. Okay, it always requires an object. Right. This is what we call is a transitive verb. Let's just look right here. We have here lay, and the parts of lay are late and late, which late is the past simple, and late as well is this one is the past participle. This one is the past simple, and right here we have late as well, which is the same as the past simple. This is past participle. Right. Let's come to some examples. We have here. I lay the book on the shelf. Lay the book on the shelf, which means put the book on the shelf. Put the book on the shelf. This is the example that we have here. And let's come with another example. It says, I laid your pen on the desk. Right? I laid your pen on the desk. I laid your pen on the desk. So this is another example that we have about lay. Remember that laid is the past of lay, right? Okay, and lay can also means to produce, right? Lay can also mean to produce. We can talk about a drake. Here you have an example right here. To produce. Right here is a drake lays an egg a day. A drake lays an egg a day. Lays an egg a day, which means produces. A drake produces an egg a day. Maybe you might wonder what's a drake. A drake is a feminine, is a female of duck. A drake is a female of duck. You know what's duck, huh? You know what's duck, right? That's not right for one. It's okay. A drake is female of duck. So a drake lays an egg a day, which means to produce. So this is the meaning of lay, right? Okay, and we can also have idioms, right? We can also have idioms from lay, right? Let's come to the idioms. Well, where can you write? Okay, let's say lay the table is one of the idioms, right? Say lay the table. I'm not right here. Right. You can say lay the table. Lay the table. Right. Lay the table, which means you can say lay the table or lay the cloth. Right. You can say lay the table or lay the cloth. Okay. So you can say table or cloth, which means to prepare the table for a meal. When you tell somebody to lay the table or lay the cloth, you are telling the person to prepare the table for a meal. So that's what we have about lie and lay. Basically, the distinction between lie and lay. Right? I said that lie is also is intransitive and lay is transitive. Well, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson very much. Right. So please do not forget to give your like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Bye bye. See you next lesson.